KMO. I'll communicate.
Have you been practicing speaking Yoruba?
Guys, don't worry about how you say it, just practice.
What would our friend like to learn today? Hi, Kai. How do you say I'm happy in Yoruba?
That one is Rebecca.
If you're happy, you say Inu mi dun.
If you're not happy or you're feeling sad, you say Inu mi ò dùn.
It's a short role play with us using the phrases.
Kẹ́mọ̀ kí ló ń ṣe?
Inú mi ò dùn.
Kí ló dé?
Mo fẹ́ ṣeré pẹ̀lú iPad mi, ṣùgbọ́n mọ́mì sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá.
Pẹ̀lẹ́, jẹ́ ká lọ ṣeré níta. Inú mi dùn.
Now you know how to say you're happy. Make sure you practice every day.
It's quiz time! Fastest finger on buzzer!
Let's go!
Shotiya!
Benny!
How do you ask how someone is feeling in Yoruba? Kai?
Kí ló ń ṣe?
Correct! Ogba!
Hey!
Question 2. How do you say I'm happy in Yoruba? Kai?
Inú mi dùn.
Correct! Ogba!
Hey!
Question 3. How do you say I'm not happy in Yoruba? Kai?
Inú mi ò dùn.
Correct! Ogba!
In your face.
Question 4. How do you say why are you not happy in Yoruba? KMO?
Kí ló dé tí inú ẹ ò dùn?
Correct! Ogba! Question 5. How do you say I'm sad because you pushed me? Kai?
Inú mi ò dùn.
KMO?
Inú mi ò dùn torí pé ó tì mí.
Correct! Ogba! And the winner is Kai!
Yay, yay, yay!
Well done, Kai. Next time, KMO.
Now it's time for Honey's Word of the Day.
Over to you, Honey. Hi guys, today's word of the day is fall, and that in English means jump. Thanks, Honey, that was great.
Make sure you practice because practice makes perfect.
Yeah! It's food time! Now it's time for Onje Food. Let's see what we have today. Amala with ila, alasepo and assorted meat. 3 facts about amala. Fact 1. There are 3 varieties of amala. The first and most common is amala isu, black amala, which is made from yam flour. The next is amala lafun, white amala, which is made from cassava flour, while the last is amala ogede, which is made from unripe plantain flour. Fact 2. Amala isu, also known as amala dudu, is made from yam flour, which is locally known as elubon. Yam flour is made by slicing and peeling yams. The yam skin slices are dried in the sun until they become crisp enough to be blended. Fact 3. Amala can be eaten with almost every kind of stew. Egusi stew, ewedu stew, okra stew, ogbono or begiri. However, amala is commonly eaten with abula, a fusion of ewedu and begiri, which is black-eyed bean stew. Now it's time for a food challenge. This is my favourite.
Whoever eats the most food before the timer runs out is the winner.
Let's go! We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Yoruba Stars. Join us again next week for another fun episode. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe.